Today we're going to talk about the 14th Amendment. The 14th Amendment states, "All persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are citizens of the United States and of the states wherein they reside. No state shall make or enforce any law which shall abridge the privileges or immunities of citizens of the United States. Nor shall any state deprive any person of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor deny to any person within its jurisdiction the equal protection of the laws." The 14th Amendment was ratified on July 28, 1868. During its time, the main purpose for this amendment was to ensure that the Civil Rights Act passed in 1866 was upheld. The majority of southern states rejected this amendment, but it was still ratified because the necessary 3/4 of the states had agreed to pass it. Today, the 14th Amendment still stands as one of the most historically important building blocks to our country's democracy. Along with the other two Reconstruction Amendments, it continues to uphold our nation's promise that everyone is created equally under the law despite race, gender, nationality, or orientation. The significance of the 14th Amendment defined in the United States Constitution continues to be an influence on the history and growth of our great nation. In 1896, the U.S. Supreme Court case upheld the constitutionality of segregation under the separate but equal doctrine. This stemmed from an 1892 incident in which an African American train passenger named Homer Plessy refused to sit in a Jim Crow car, breaking a Louisiana law. The Supreme Court said that the states were able to uphold segregation as long as facilities were created for both blacks and whites. This eventually led to the formation of the separate but equal doctrine, which was considered by the court to be sufficient in fulfilling the 14th Amendment.